bang fruits na makikita sa buhay mo? Oh, John 15 verse 5. Jesus emphasized that if you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. Paano kung biglang dumating today si Jesus? Hanapan ka ng fruits. Mateo 24:30, alam natin na darating talaga si Lord, di ba? So, then will appear in heaven the sign of the Son of Man, and then all the tribes of the earth will mourn, and they will see the Son of Man coming on the clouds of heaven with power and great glory. And he will send out his angels with a loud trumpet call, and they will gather his elect from the four winds, from one end of heaven to the other. So, paano yung pagbaba nga si Lord, di ba? Tapos, wala kang fruits. Ano nga bang fruits ang sinutukoy dito?